Hello students, we are studying differentiation. Now today we will see some rules associated with differentiation. Okay. Now suppose if the function, for example, x to the power n is given, we know the differentiation of x to the power n, that is n x to the power n minus 1. That means take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. But in place of x, suppose something different is there. For example, आता क्या है d by dx, differentiation of x to the power 8 will be take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. So 8 minus 1, it will be 7. Okay. This is the differentiation if only x is here. But apart from x, if something is there. Okay. So for example, differentiation of for example, I will tell you x square to the power 3. Now we have a differentiation करायचं. So here first assume whatever given in the bracket as x. याला x assume करायचं आणि याचा differentiation करायचं. So here 3 is there. So first of all we are seeing power. Something is having some power. Now this x square is having power 3. So first upon differentiate this. So it will be 3x square to the power 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 it will be 2. हा 3 नी न्यूमरेटर मध्ये घेतला आणि तो 3 नी 1 ने कमी केला. So it will be 3 minus 1 it is 2. Okay. Now इथपर्यंत झालं नाही. हे कधी पॉसिबल असतं? इथं फक्त x क्यूब असतं. If it was x cube then it will be 3x square. इथं जर फक्त x cube असतं. Suppose if it is like x cube then it will be 3x square. But here in place of x काय आहे? x square. In place of x there is x square. So if something other than x is present then differentiate it again. त्याला परत differentiate करायचं. मग कोण आहे x च्या जागी प्रेझेंट? पुन्हा वरती पॉवर रूल अप्लाय केला आपण x स्क्वेअर ची पॉवर 3 आहे. बरोबर? x स्क्वेअर ची पॉवर 3 आहे. मग आपण x स्क्वेअर ला आपण फंक्शन अज्यूम करून ती पॉवर खाली घेतली आणि ती पॉवर 1 ने कमी केली. So take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. But we assume that x square as x, but actually it is not x. So differentiate it again in the product. Differentiate it again in the product, and this is called chain rule. So what is the differentiation of x square? X square is the differentiation 2x. See, differentiation of x square, that is take the power in the numerator 2 and ha 2 power will reduce by 1. It will be 2 to the power 2x to the power 1, that is 2x. Okay, now see here what will be the answer? 3 into 2, 3 into 2 6, x to the power 2 2s are 4 and this one single x. Now x to the power 4 and x to the power 1. How many x are there? 4 plus 1, total 5x are there. So we can write it as 6x to the power 5. आपण बघूया आपला आन्सर बरोबर आहे का? Okay, and this is called chain rule. बघूया, let's see whether our answer is right or wrong. Here 2 into 3. Let's see, it is d by dx of x square to the power 3. What is mean by x square to the power 3? That means x square into x square into x square 3 times. Okay, x square चा cube आहे. So x square 3 times. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6. So total 6x are there. So we can write this question as differentiation of x to the power 6. Or directly we can say here 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. अजून मी डिफरन्शिएशन केलेलं नाही. आता डिफरन्शिएट करा डायरेक्टली. आता इथे x आहे ना, फक्त x आहे आणि x ची पॉवर 6 आहे. डायरेक्ट डिफरन्शिएशन वी कॅन डू take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. So it will be 6x to the power 5. 6x to the power 5. Check करा हे जर असं हां. मग तुम्ही म्हणणार सर असं जर ओपन करून जर डायरेक्टली डिफरन्शिएट करता येत होतं, so why we need chain rule? Why we need chain rule? Here it's very easy to open. 2 into 3 6 and then differentiate, take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. But when it is not so easy to open the bracket or for some higher powers, खूप सारे higher powers असतील, so it's very difficult to open the bracket, and in that case we need to use chain rule. Okay, so for example let's see, suppose d by dx of x plus 7 the whole cube or x plus 7 square. What is the differentiation of this? x square plus 7 का whole square. Now इथे बघा, हा जो ब्रॅकेट आहे, ब्रॅकेटचा स्क्वेअर आहे, we can easily open it. Okay, open करू शकतो and we can write differentiation of what is a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab, or a square plus 2ab plus b square. What is a? A is nothing but x square. Now x square is a. Now what is the first term? A plus b the whole square. First term will be a square. A square means x square चा square. It will be x to the power 4. Then 2ab. That means 2 into 7, 14. 14x square. 14x square. 2ab. 2 into x square into 7. So 2 into 7 is 14 into x square. 2ab plus b square. B is 7. So b square will be 7 square. That is 49. Now if we differentiate this, what will happen? Let's see. याला जर differentiate केला आपण तर काय होणार आहे? What is the differentiation of x to the power 4? It will be 4x cube. Take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. Here 14, this 2 will come into the numerator, so 14 into 2, it will be 28x. Power will become 1 because initial power is 2. Reduce the power by 1, so 2 minus 1 will be 1, so only single x will appear. Now 49 is a constant number. In last class I have told you differentiation of constant is 0. Why? It is 49 आहे. So 49, that means 49 can be written as 49 into 1. That 1 can be written as x to the power 0. 1 can be written as x to the power 0. And when this 0 comes to numerator, whole thing will become 0. Whole thing will become 0. So differentiation of constant is 0. So this is our answer. 4x cube plus 28x. Without applying chain rule. Without applying chain rule. काय केलेलं? Directly मी काय केलेलं? Open केलं a plus b the whole square. Why I haven't used chain rule? Because in this case it is very easy to open this bracket. Because we know the formula a plus b the whole square. Let's see if whether our answer is correct or not by chain rule. Now here see d by dx of x square plus 7 square. Now assume this bracket as x. याला x assume करा. Now something has power 2. Something has power 2. So what is the differentiation of that? Take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. So power will become 1. ही 2 खाली आलेली आहे आणि इथे आता 1 झालेलं आहे. But tell me whether this x square plus 7 is x. No, हा x आहे का? नाही आहे. It is other than x. It is something other than x. Then we have to differentiate it again. What is the chain rule? इथं काय होता? x square होता. हा x होता का? नाही. मग याला आपण x assume केला, या 3 ला खाली घेतलं, differentiation केलं. 3x square as it is, power becomes 2. But as this term is not x, he x nahi hai, it is other than something other than x, then differentiate it again. So what is the differentiation of x square? 2x multiplied by 2x. So here also this x square plus 7 is not x. So differentiate it again in the product. What is the differentiation of x square? It is 2x. Differentiation of x square is 2x and differentiation of 7 will be 0. Differentiation of 7 will be 0. समझ लगा? 7 is a constant again same as 49. 49 से differentiation क्या आएगा? 0 आएगा. Now multiply 2x plus 0 will be 2x. 2x plus 0 will be 2x. So multiply this 2x into 2. 2x into 2 it will be 4x. In bracket x square plus 7. Power 1 means okay, it will be set there. Now open this bracket. 4x into x square. 4x into x square it will be 4x cube. इधर x है, इधर x square है. So x into x square it will be x cube. And 4x into 7. 4 into 7 28. And how x? 28x. Well, that is the answer and the answer is same again. 4x cube plus 28x. Now here we don't need chain rule. We use chain rule here, but we don't need chain rule as we can easily open this bracket because here 2 is there. But here a plus b का whole square है, so we can easily open this bracket. So we don't need chain rule. But if something other than 2 is present, if something other than 2 is present, then we need chain rule. For example, here's a rule here. Okay, pause the video and write everything. Suppose in the place of 2, if differentiation of x square plus 7 to the power 9. So can you open this bracket? A plus b to the power 9. A plus b to the power 9, you can't open. Because what we know a plus b the whole square, a plus b the whole cube, up to this we know. Okay, a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is a plus b the whole square. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, that is what? A plus b the whole cube. Okay, but we don't know how to open x square plus 7 to the power 9. Now here directly differentiate with chain rule. So in chain rule, first of all we'll see power, and power is given to something. So assume this something as x and apply the power rule. Then it will be 9 x square plus 7 to the power 8. Take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. So हा 9 खाली आलेला आहे आणि किती झालेला आहे? 8 झालेला आहे. इथं थांबू नका. हे कधी पॉसिबल असतं? If something other if x is present here, but here something other than x is there, so differentiate it again in the product. याला परत differentiate करा. So what is the differentiation of x square? It is 2x. What is the differentiation of 7? 0. का 0? सांगितलं 7 can be written as 7 into 1. 1 can be written as x to the power 0. And when this 0 comes to the numerator, the differentiation of 7 will be 0. The product will be 0 here. Okay. So now it will be 9 into 2, 18, and how many x? 18x, x square plus 7 to the power 8. Okay, so where chain rule is necessary, where it is not necessary. If something other than x is present, then chain rule is necessary. So we can write down chain rule in terms of power rule. See here, differentiation of ax plus b to the power n. If only x is there, x to the power n, then we can write n, take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. Take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. The power इथे numerator मध्ये घ्या आणि power इथे कमी करा. But here something other than x is there. ax plus b. It is something other than x. So first of all, assume this as x. First of all, assume this as x and differentiate. So it will be n ax plus b to the power n minus 1. Take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. This is by assuming whatever inside the bracket, as x, LX assumed. But whatever inside the bracket is x. No, it is ax plus b. So differentiate it again in the product. याला multiply मध्ये ax plus b चे differentiation द्यायचे. What is the differentiation of ax? What is the differentiation of ax plus b? Ax plus b. So tell me, this a power is not given. Power is, that means power should be 1. Ax to the power 1. Here nothing is given. That means b into 1. That means 1 can be written as x to the power 0. बघा इथं फक्त x आहे म्हणजे सिंगल x आहे. सिंगल x म्हणजे त्याची पॉवर 1. इथं x च नाहीये. x नाही म्हणजे कोण आहे? 1 आहे. And 1 can be written as x to the power 0. Now how to write the differentiation? Take the power in the numerator. So a into 1 it will be 1. A into 1 it will be a. X to the power 1 minus 1 it will be 0. 1 minus 1 it will be 0. Plus when this 0 comes to numerator, it will be b into 0 into x to the power 0 minus 1. It will be minus 1. But as this 0 comes to numerator, this whole thing becomes 0. This whole thing becomes 0. आणि हे बघितलं आपण कॉन्स्टंट चे डिफरन्शिएशन काय आहे? 0 आहे. सो b इज कॉन्स्टंट. b मध्ये x आहे का कोणता? b इज अ कॉन्स्टंट, एक नंबर आहे कोणता तरी. मग आता इथं काय आलं आहे? x टू द पॉवर 0. एनीथिंग टू द पॉवर 0 इज 1. सो डिफरन्शिएशन इज 0. सो हे आता मी तुम्हाला करून दाखवलं. हे लल्लो आहे ऍक्च्युअली, इझी आहे. लिनियर चे डिफरन्शिएशन कॉन्स्टंट चे डिफरन्शिएशन 0. सो ax a, b च 0. Last class we have seen differentiation of 5x. Differentiation of 5x. बघा याची power 1 आहे. When this power 1 comes to numerator, it will be 5 into 1 and power becomes 0. Take the power in the numerator. It will be 5 into 1 and reduce the power by 1. So 1 minus 1 it will be 0 and anything to the power 0 is 1. So it will be 5 into 5, 5. 5 into 1, 5. So this is linear function. Linear, why linear? Because power is 1. If power is 2, it is quadratic. So differentiation of quadratic is linear, differentiation of linear is constant, and differentiation of constant is 0. Differentiation of constant is 0. Okay, 7 to 0. So here, what is the differentiation of ax plus b? Differentiation of 5x of 5, same as differentiation of ax is a. Differentiation of ax is a and differentiation of b is 0. So ax a plus 0, that is a. So the answer will be n into a into n. Okay, ax plus b to the power n minus 1. So this is the differentiation of ax plus b to the power n. काय केलेलं आहे, इथं आणि इथं काय डिफरन्स आहे, इथं n आहे, इथं n आहे. इथं ओरिजिनल टर्म टू द पॉवर reduced to power n minus 1. Here also original term to the power reduced by 1. म्हणजे n आहे ओरिजिनल टर्म आहे, इथे x होती ना, इथे x आहे, इथे ax plus b आहे, इथे ax plus b आहे, पावर n minus 1 आहे, पावर n minus 1 आहे. Only the difference is this a. Only the difference is this a, and this a is appeared by chain rule. This a is appeared by chain rule, and why we use chain rule? Because here something other than x is given. Here something other than x is present, that is ax plus b, which is not x actually. If only x is there, then no problem. Okay. Now let us see few more examples. Write down this general formula. Suppose differentiation of x cube plus 9x square plus 8x plus 74 to the power 65. Differentiation of this is asked. So first of all, तुम्हाला काय दिसतं? Don't go to x cube because x cube is inside the bracket. So first of all, या सगळे ब्रॅकेट मध्ये, so we are observing power. First of all, in front of us, power is there 65, which is prior to all the terms, because all the terms are inside the bracket. So before going inside the bracket, 65 is outside. That means something is there which has power. काहीतरी आहे ज्याला काय आहे, power आहे. Now first we'll apply power rule, assuming this as x. So apply the power rule. याला x assume करून आपण याला power rule apply करूया. 65 to the power 65 into x cube plus 9x square plus 8x plus 74 to the power 65 minus 1. Reduce the power by 1. What is the power rule? Take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. So remove this power in the numerator. Take this power in the numerator 65 and reduce the power by 1. So 65 and power will become 64. But whatever inside the bracket is not x. जे काय ब्रॅकेट मध्ये x आहे का नाही, मग त्याला परत डिफरन्शिएट केलं पाहिजे बाय चेन साखळी chain rule. So whatever inside the bracket we have to differentiate. So what is the differentiation of x cube? It is 3x square. Differentiation of x cube. Take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. Then here this 2 will come to the numerator. 9 into 2, 18. It will be 18x. This power 2 will become 1 now. Because 2 minus 1, reduce the power by 1. Then 8x. What is the differentiation of 5x? 5. What is the differentiation of ax? 8. Then differentiation of 8x will be 8. Differentiation of 8x. 8x, that means 8x to the power 1. Differentiation करताना 8 into 1, this 1 will come to the numerator and power of x will become 0. Anything to the power 0 is 1, so answer will be 8. So differentiation of 8x will be 8. And here with 74, nothing is there. 74 is constant term. So that means 74 can be written as 74 into 1. That means 74 into x to the power 0. 1 can be written as x to the power 0. And when this 0 comes to numerator, everything will become 0. Everything will become 0. So differentiation of constant is 0. So this is the differentiation of this question. Okay. Now, मी तुम्हाला काल सांगितलं होतं, while seeing the second lecture, while attending the second lecture, please open the notes or formulas which I have taught you first lecture. ठीक है, first lecture of differentiation. Okay, formula open करा. Which are of differentiation of trigonometric function. Now see, differentiation of sin x to the power 4. Differentiation of sin x to the power 4. Now we know what is the differentiation of sin x. Yesterday I have given a list of differentiation of all the trigonometric functions. Sin x, cosec x, cot x, sec x, cos x, tan x. Okay. Now, first of all, we are going to see power. Something is there which is having power 4. So first of all, apply the power rule. That means 4 sin x to the power 3. 4 sin x to the power 3. But ज्याच्यावरती तुम्ही power rule apply केला, ज्याच्यावर तुम्ही पॉवर रूल यूज केलेला आहे तो x आहे का? x आहे का? तो नाही आहे. तो काय आहे? sin x आहे. So differentiate it again in the product. So what is the differentiation of sin x? What is the differentiation of sin x? cos x. म्हणून मी म्हटलं तुम्हाला कालच्या लेक्चर्स तुम्ही इथं ओपन करून ठेवा. So this is the chain rule. Okay, so sin x to the power 4 is there. So पहिल्यांदा इथे power दिसते. So apply the power rule. So 4. Take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. So 4 sin x to the power 3. But whatever inside the rule bracket is not x, then differentiate it again. Okay. Let's see differentiation of tan x to the power of 3. So here tan something, okay, something to the power 3. So apply the power rule. 3 into something to the power 2. So I have taken the power in the numerator and reduced the power by 1. But that something is not x. Something is not x. Then differentiate it again. That something is tan x. So we have to differentiate it again. So what is the differentiation of tan x? बघा काल काय शिकलो होतो? Differentiation of tan x is sec square x. Okay. So this is chain rule. जर इथे x नसेल, x to the power 6 होता. So all this belongs to chain rule in power rule. ठीक है? Power function मध्ये आपण फक्त chain rule काय आहे. For example आपण आणखीन एक बघू शकतो. d by dx of 7 to the power x to the power 4. So first of all, we are seeing a power 4. Power 4 is there, but inside the bracket, whatever given is not x. That is exponential function. 7 to the power x. So first apply power rule. So as per the power rule, we will get 4 7 to the power x to the power 3. Take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. But whatever given inside the bracket is not x, so differentiate it again. So what is given in the bracket? It is 7 to the power x is an exponential function. Why? It is constant to the power variable. 7 is a constant, x is a variable, so constant to the power variable. So what is the differentiation? Yesterday I have told you, differentiation of exponential function, constant to the power variable will be constant to the power variable as it is into log a, log constant, and base e. Obviously base will be e. Base will be e. Okay. So here 7 to the power x to the power 4. So this is not x. Something to the power 4. Apply the power rule first. So 4 into something to the power 3. This is the power rule. But whatever given inside the bracket is not x. Hence differentiate it again. So what is the differentiation of 7 to the power x as per this rule? This is differentiation of exponential function. So it will be 7 to the power x into log 7. 7 to the power x into log 7. Okay. Suppose question is like this: differentiation of log x to the power 9. Differentiation of log x to the power 5. Now something has power, that something is log, something is not x. So first apply the power rule. 5 log x to the power 4. Take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. Okay, this is the differentiation. Assuming this as x, याला आपण x assume केलं, त्याची power 5 होती. ती 5 numerator मध्ये आली आणि power reduce झाली to 4. But whatever given in the bracket is not x, it is something other than x. So differentiate that something. Okay. So what is the differentiation of log x? Yesterday we have seen differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. Differentiation of log something is 1 upon something. So what is the differentiation of log something? In chain rule, we are going to multiply the differentiation in the product 1 upon x. Okay. So जे काय आहे ते तुम्ही आता बघा, इथे प्रोडक्ट केला आहे, इथे प्रोडक्ट केला आहे, इथे प्रोडक्ट केला आहे, इथे सुद्धा प्रोडक्ट आहे. So in chain rule, whatever we differentiate the secondary function in the product in the multiplication. ठीक है ना? So this is the chain rule for functions having power. One second, I will have some water. Sorry. Now we are going to see chain rule in the case of other functions, like here we have seen the chain rule in polynomial functions. Why polynomial functions? Because the functions have some power, like power 1, power 2, degree 1, degree 2, degree 3. So if it is 1, then linear function; if it is 2, then quadratic function. So something has some power. So in case of trigonometric functions, we are going to see the chain rule. For example, differentiation of sin x we know, but suppose the differentiation of sin x cube is asked. So what is theta here? Theta is x cube. It is not x. We know what we know. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. But here x is there. Here, see, here x is present. But here in place of x, something other is given, and the other is x cube. So what will be its differentiation? So assume this as x. First of all, assume this as x. त्याला x assume करा. इथं कुठली पॉवर दिसते का तुम्हाला वरती? या फंक्शनच्या वरती कोणी पॉवर आहे का नाही? तुम्ही म्हणता असं आहे की इथं 3 आहे. 3 is not the power of whole function. 3 is not the power of whole function, so don't apply the power rule here. First of all, primary level, don't apply the power rule initially. Because this 3 is not the power of whole function, this is the power of that x only. And that x is inside the angle. X is inside the angle. Okay? Angle constitutes of x cube. Here, angle कशामध्ये बनलेला आहे? x cube हा टोटल एक अँगल आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये x आहे. पावर तो त्याचा इंटिग्रल पार्ट आहे. ठीक आहे? So x and its power is the integral part of the angle of this side. X and its power 3 are integral part. त्याच्या आतमधला एक पार्ट आहे. सेपरेट ही whole power नाही आहे. So don't consider it as whole power. So we are seeing sin something. So what is the differentiation of sin something? Differentiation of sin something is cos something. Differentiation of sin something is cos something, so differentiation will be cos x cube. But tell me whether this something is x or not. No. Is that something is x or other thing? That something is x cube. It is not x. This something is not x. It is something other than x. Then we have to differentiate it again. याला परत आपल्याला डिफरेंशिएट करायला पाहिजे in the product. So what is the differentiation of x cube? Differentiation of x cube is 3x square. Differentiation of x cube will be 3x square. Take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. Don't multiply this 3x square to the theta. The answer will be 3x square cos x cube. Cos of x cube. So differentiation of sin something will be cos something. Check if something is x or not. If it is other than x, then differentiate it again in the product. Suppose differentiation of cot x to the power cot x square plus 9x plus 7 is 0. Now here see x square plus 9x plus 7, the whole bracket constitutes an angle of this chord. This whole bracket constitutes an angle of this chord. इथं chord चा कोणी angle तुम्हाला दिसतोय का? So any trigonometric function cannot exist without angle. Each and every trigonometric function should have some angle. So इथं कुठला angle दिसत नाही, that means that bracket is angle. In front of chord, whatever written is angle. In front of chord, whatever written in the bracket is angle. Okay. So what is the differentiation of chord? Let's see in your notes. That is differentiation of cot x. Differentiation of cot something will be equal to minus cosec square something. Differentiation of cot x is minus cosec square x. Differentiation of cot x is minus cosec square x. So differentiation of cot something is minus cosec square something. Now this something is not x. Something is not x. So assume it as x and differentiate first. So cot something, differentiation of cot something is minus cosec square something. That is x square plus 9x plus 7. Differentiation of cot something is minus cosec square something. So but as this something is not x, हाँ something जो है तो x नहीं है. So differentiate it again by changing. हा जो काय आहे ब्रॅकेट मध्ये तो x आहे का? नाही. सो x नाही त्यामुळे त्याला परत डिफरन्शिएट करायला पाहिजे बाय युजिंग चेन रूल. त्याला परत डिफरन्शिएट करा. सो डिफरन्शिएट इथे करूया. x स्क्वेअर चे डिफरन्शिएशन किती येतं? What is the differentiation of x square? 2x. हाँ 2 खाली आता and this is power 1. ठीक है ना? Take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. So this by reducing the power 2, it will become power 1. And take the power in the numerator, it will become 2x. What is the differentiation of 9x? Differentiation of 5x is 5. Differentiation of 7x is 7. Differentiation of ax is a. Same way, differentiation of 9x. See, 9x. Again, I am telling you. Actually, it's very easy. 9, as nothing is mentioned in the power, that its power is 1. When this 1 comes to numerator, it will be 9 into 1, x to the power 0. Something to the power 0 is 1. 9 into 1 is 9. Okay. So differentiation of 9x will be 9. What is the differentiation of 7? 7 is a constant number. Differentiation of constant is 0. ठीक है, बघू शकता आपण 7 nothing is mentioned, that means 7 into 1. In place of 1 we can write x to the power 0, because anything to the power 0, anything to the power 0 is 1. And when this 0 comes to numerator, after differentiating, when this 0 comes to numerator, the power becomes -1. And anything to the when any equation multiplied by 0, the whole term becomes 0. Whole term will become 0, so plus 0. So now don't multiply this term to the bracket to the theta. Take the whole term here. So minus 2x plus 9, then cosec square x square plus 9x plus 7. Okay. So काय केले इथे बघा. Cot something. We know the rule. Cot something, differentiation of cot something is minus cosec square something. So differentiation of cot of this bracket will be minus cosec square of this bracket. But whatever given inside the bracket is not x, so differentiate it again and write it into the product. Whatever given in the bracket is not x, it is something other than x, then differentiate it and multiply the differentiation here. Okay, so that is the chain rule. Now next we will see differentiation of e to the power x cube. E to the power x cube. Now student, we know differentiation of e to the power something is e to the power something. Differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x. कारण एक जोक कोण सांगितलं होतं, e to the power x डिफरन्शिएशन तेच येतं. ठीक आहे, आणि याच्या पुढे पण येतं log e, because differentiation of a to the power x, differentiation of a to the power x is a to the power x log a. But if the log e and the base e है, log e base e will become 1. Log e and base e किती होतो? 1 होतो. So differentiation of e to the power something is e to the power something. So here e to the power x cube, what will be the differentiation? It will be e to the power x cube itself. But this something is not x. हा जो something है, हा x आहे का? नहीं है. It is something other than x. So we have to differentiate it again in the product. So what is the differentiation of x cube? What is the differentiation of x cube? It is 3x square. The answer will be 3x square e to the power x cube. 3x square into e to the power x cube. So differentiation of e to the power x cube will be e to the power x cube as it is. But as the power which is given is not x, differentiate it again in the product. Next question, for example, differentiation of 4 to the power x to the power 5. Now इथे पण बघा, हे काय आहे? Constant to the power variable. Constant to the power variable. So as this is constant to the power variable, that means exponential function, constant to the power variable. So how to differentiate it? See, a to the power x का differentiation कितनी है? A to the power x into log a. Okay, so 4 to the power x to the power 5, it will be 4 to the power x to the power 5 as it is into log 4. हे कधी पॉसिबल आहे? इथं फक्त जर x असता 4 to the power something असतं तर डिफरन्शिएशन आलं असतं 4 to the power something log 4. a to the power something is equal to a to the power something into log a. So 4 to the power something is a differentiation, 4 to the power something into log 4. But this something is not x. This something is not x. So differentiate it again in the product. So what is the differentiation of x to the power 5? It will be 5 x to the power 4. Take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. Okay, so this is the answer. Suppose question is like this: differentiation of e to the power sin x. Differentiation of e to the power sin x. Now, what is the differentiation of e to the power something? E to the power something. So, as per this rule, so it will be e to the power something. But this something is not x. This something is not x. It is sin x. So, by chain rule, multiply differentiation of sin x here. What is the differentiation of sin x? It will be cos x. See, differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x. So, differentiation of e to the power sin x will be equal to e to the power sin x. But this something is not x. It is sin x. So, by chain rule, differentiate it again and multiply here. So, what is the differentiation of sin x? Cos x. Then, differentiation of log of tan x. In logarithm chapter, I have told you log cannot exist without index. Log cannot exist without index. So here something is written in front of log, that is tan x. Something is written in front of log, that is tan x. And then what is the index? Index will be tan. Okay, the index will be tan. So what is the differentiation of log something? What is the differentiation of log something? Differentiation of log something is 1 upon something. ठीक है, अपन पाहिलं आहे differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. So differentiation of log something is 1 upon something. Here differentiation of tan x is given. Log of tan x is given. See what we have seen. Differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. Differentiation of logarithmic function. That means differentiation of log something is 1 upon something. So differentiation of log something will be 1 upon something. That means 1 upon tan x. But this something is not x. We have to differentiate it again in the product. What is the differentiation of tan x? This also we have seen. Differentiation of tan x is sec square x. So write here sec square x. Sec square x. So differentiation of log of tan x is 1 upon tan x. But this tan x is not x. Differentiate it again in the product, that is sec square x. So this is the product rule, chain rule. Okay. So we have seen most of the examples related to chain rule. I will give you a complicated question. Differentiation of sine of log x log of 4 to the power x plus tan x plus x to the power 3 whole bracket to the power 5. Now see, first of all, what you are going to observe, काय दिसतं, everything inside the bracket, ठीक है? So only 5 is appearing, that is power. So first of all apply power rule. Assuming whatever given inside the bracket as x, जे काय ब्रॅकेट मध्ये दिलेलं आहे त्याला x अज्यूम करा आणि ही जी पॉवर आहे त्याचा यूज करून पॉवर रूल आपण इथे अप्लाय करूया. सो सी, first take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. Assume whatever given inside the bracket as x, so it will be log 4 to the power x plus sin of log of 4 to the power x plus tan x plus x cube, bracket complete, and then curly bracket to the power 4. पण हा पूर्ण कर्ली ब्रॅकेट वरती आपण पॉवर रूल यूज केला. इथं 5 आहे तो 5 इथं आलेला आहे आणि पॉवर 4 झाली. बट नाउ हे कधी पॉसिबल असतं? हे तेव्हा पॉसिबल आहे जेव्हा x गिवन x इज इनसाइड द कर्ली ब्रॅकेट. बट हे काय आहे? काहीतरी वेगळंच आहे. साइन ऑफ समथिंग इज इनसाइड द ब्रॅकेट. साइन ऑफ समथिंग इज इनसाइड द ब्रॅकेट, that is not x. Sin something is in place of x. त्याचा आपण power rule use केला. But this is not x, so differentiate it again in the product. What is given inside the curly bracket? It is sin something. Sin चा जो theta तो पण x नाही आहे. Sin something. So what is the difference from sin something? आता हे 5 आलेलं आहे. 5 चा यूज केला तुम्ही. आता काय दिसतंय यामध्ये? Sin something. So what is the differentiation of sin something? It is cos something. So it will be log 4 to the power x plus tan x plus x cube. इथपर्यंत आन्सर झालं नाही झालं. हे इथपर्यंत आपण कधी स्टॉप झालो असतो जर इथं फक्त sin x असता. जर sin x असता तर आपण तर cos x घेऊन स्टॉप झालो असतो. पण sin चा जो थीटा आहे तो x आहे का? नाही, तो पण काहीतरी वेगळा आहे. sin चा जो थीटा आहे तो x आहे का? नाही. that is also other than x. again we have to differentiate that theta. काय आहे थीटा तो? log something plus tan something plus x to the power 3. so what is the differentiation of log something? It is 1 upon something. 1 upon something. now tell me this 1 upon something is something like x आहे का? नहीं है. ठीक है, 4 to the power x है. again differentiate that. It will be 4 to the power x into log 4, constant to the power variable. Okay. Plus what is the differentiation of tan x? It will be sec square x. इधर x है, no problem. No need to differentiate again. इधर अपन फक्त x है, x cube से differentiation 3x square. ठीक है, 4 to the power x, 4 to the power x. So this is the answer. काय केलेलं आहे? पहिला पॉवर दिसते 5. take the power in the numerator, reduce the power by 1, 4 झाले. आता जे काय दिसते ते x नव्हतं, so differentiate again. काय दिसतं तुम्हाला? sin something चं differentiation cos something. ओके, हे इथं आपण स्टॉप झालो असतो पण स्टॉप होणार नाही कारण का sin चा जो थीटा आहे तो x नाही, तो x काहीतरी वेगळा आहे. त्याला परत डिफरन्शिएट करना पाहिजे. अगेन सेकंड टाइम चे रूल, थर्ड टाइम चे रूल. सो log something चा 1 upon something. अगेन log चा जो इंडेक्स आहे तो x नाही आहे. इट इज आल्सो अदर दॅन x. तो काय आहे? 4 to the power x. त्याचा परत प्रोडक्ट मध्ये करना पाहिजे. काय आहे 4 to the power x? 4 to the power x means exponential function. That means constant to the power variable. So what is the differentiation of exponential function? Exponential function as it is into log constant. So 4 to the power x into log 4. Then differentiation of tan x is sec square x and differentiation of x cube is 3x square. Okay. So this is all about chain rule. Now we'll see algebra in differentiation. Algebra of differentiation. of differentiation. So what is the algebra of differentiation? For example, let's see the function y is given as u plus v. Then its differentiation will be dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Okay, so दोन फंक्शन असतील तर त्याचा डिफरन्शिएशन जर त्याचे समेशन मध्ये असतील, so we can directly differentiate the two terms separately and write the original side. If subtraction is given y is equal to u minus v, this is the first function, this is the second function, so you can write dy by dx equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. So don't confuse yourself. What is meant by d by dx or d by dx, d by dx? These are the differentiations. Differentiation of y, differentiation of u, differentiation of v. आता हे सिंपल लँग्वेज मध्ये मी असं सांगतो तुम्हाला. सपोज y is equal to x cube per sin x असेल. Now what is u here? X cube. What is v here? Sin x. So suppose you have asked what is dy by dx. What is the differentiation of this y? Y म्हणजेच काय? कुणाचं डिफरन्शिएशन विचारले? y चं. y चं म्हणजे कुणाचं? x cube plus sin x. Why? Because y is equal to x cube plus sin x. So if differentiation of y is asked, that means differentiation of this is asked. Now suppose if I assume this x cube as u and this sin x as v. So what is u? u is x cube. Differentiate it separately. du by dx is equal to x cube, so differentiation 3x square. ये तो मालूम है. Take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. Okay. Then assume v assume v is equal to sin x. What is the differentiation of sin x? Differentiation of sin x is cos x. So dv by dx is cos x. कल x cube से differentiation 3x square, तो d cube से du by dx, v से dv by dx, sin x से cos x. ठीक है? So we can substitute these two values in place of here. So formula क्या है? What is dy by dx? It will be du by dx plus dv by dx. So we can use these two terms in place of this du by dx and dv by dx. So dy by dx will be equal to du by dx and 3x square plus cos x. आता हे आपण असं जेवण केलं की असं आपण करू शकतो, तरी पण आपण असं जेवण ठीक आहे. इझिली आपण करू शकतो, डायरेक्टली आपण घेऊ शकतो. सपोज y is equal to x cube plus sin x हे गिवन आहे. सो डायरेक्टली डिफरेंशिएट. व्हाट इज द differentiation of y with respect to x? In the first lecture itself I have told you change in y with respect to change in x. Change in y with respect to change in x is dy by dx. So what is the differentiation of x cube? It is 3x square. What is the differentiation of sin x? It is cos x. Finish. हेच आन्सर आहे. सेम आहे, फक्त इथे काय केलं, याला u असून केलं, याला v असून केलं. ठीक आहे. याचा डिफरन्शिएशन केला. डिफरन्शिएशन ऑफ x cube is 3x square. डिफरन्शिएशन ऑफ sin x is cos x. u चा du by dx, v चा dv by dx. याला y is equal to u plus v असून केले. So y चा dy by dx, u चा du by dx. And differentiation of v is dv by dx. Substitute the value of du by dx here, dv by dx here. So this is the final answer. So हे खूप इझी आहे, डायरेक्टली पण डिफरन्शिएट करू शकतो आपण. Differentiation of y is dy by dx. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square. Take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. And differentiation of sin x is cos x. सबट्रॅक्शन चं काय स्पेशल नाही. जर इथं प्लस च्या जागी जर मायनस साइन असेल, सो डायरेक्टली इथं काय येणार आहे, मायनस साइन येणार आहे. ठीक आहे. सो hope you are studying well. Study well, and differentiation is about 90% completed. Only product rule and quotient rule are remaining, and after that we'll start integration. So keep studying, stay safe, stay healthy. If you have any doubt, then directly you can contact me. Okay, directly you can call me or text me on WhatsApp. Okay, thank you very much.